Hi and welcome to this new course. As we know, anyone who uses Microsoft product, he need to know about Microsoft PowerShell. He need to know how to use this tool to manage his computer or his Windows that he use in his computer. As we know, in the old time, Microsoft was using the command line that call it MS-DOS. That when we want to use this command line, we need to click run and tap cmd, and here is the command line MS-DOS of Microsoft Windows. Before, when we use this command line, when we want to execute any command, we need to have this command in our mind. We need to know already about this command. That means you know how this command is right and what the function that it gives to you. Microsoft keep thinking and see that this command line is created with a logical command. That means anyone who wants to use this command, he need to have a list of commands in his mind to can work with this command line. So the Microsoft developer try to make it a little logically, and he develop or upgrade his command line from MS-DOS to Microsoft PowerShell, that's created with a logical command that can easy to remember, easy to discover, and easy to use the new command line. As an example, for example, if we want to create a share folder with the old command, for example, right here, we open the computer. Let's create a shared folder in the driver C. Tap new folder. So for example, this folder, we want to share it in the network. We click property and choose sharing. Click share. Here we chose to share with everyone. Let's add everyone to share it and click share. Okay, now we have this folder is sharing in the network. So to get access in this folder through network, for example, we tap double backslash 127.0.0.1. So here is it, our folder in sharing network. You can access it by this URL. But when we want to use this folder to get access quickly of this folder from the computer, right here, we want to add it right here in this place to get quick access to it. We need to copy. We need to copy this path, and in MS-DOS we need to use the command net space use space, and we need to choose driver letter that is not used before, for example C, D, E. Let's try for example Z, and we paste our shared folder path and make it between quotation mark and press enter. Like you see, here is it, the new folder added as a driver letter from our computer, so we can access to this folder from our computer. When we want to do this operation, it is necessary to already know that we have a command called net use. This command should be in your mind and you already know about it to can do this operation. But if you don't know this command, it is impossible and logically that you can't do this operation. You can't create this new folder right here. So this is the bad thing in the old CMD, old command line, that you need to have a command in your mind. Another thing, there are some command in the command line that you can't run it or you can't execute it without having some other tools to execute those commands. You need to have some other tools in your computer. So Microsoft think about this problem and this illogically command and try to upgrade this command line from the MS-DOS to a new version that will be easy and friendly to the user, and without having the command you can use the logic to get this command. So he make an upgrade from the CMD to PowerShell. This PowerShell is a kind of script, a script language that use the command line and the logic. It's a combination between command line and logic. This command line is created with a human logically that anyone can understand what mean any command, to make it easy to remember, easy to discover those commands and work with the new tool of Microsoft.